Hey everyone, welcome back to Endless Money Pits. This is a 2001 Chevrolet Corvette, and today I'll show you how to replace the fog light bulbs. The owner had me replace the headlights with LEDs, and he wants the fog lights to match. If you need to know how to replace the headlight bulbs too, that part is in a separate video that I'll leave a link to. This job is pretty straightforward, so let's get to it. Here are the tools that I used for this job. Electric screwdriver, Phillips number 2 bit, and a magnetic bowl. For this job I also needed gloves and a set of LED bulbs. First, turn on the headlights, then turn the light switch back one notch so the headlights turn off but stay open. If you're worried about scratching the paint while removing this lower screw, you can open the hood first and unscrew it from behind. Remove these 2 inner screws and a third one on the outside. The plastic trim only clips in at the top center. Pull the trim down and forward, then rotate it forward to remove it from the headlight housing. Now we have to open the hood for better access to the fog lights. Once you've located the back of the fog light, lift the clip on the bottom of the plug and disconnect the bulb. Twist the bulb counterclockwise to release it. Install the new bulb, being careful not to touch the glass or the LEDs. Twist it clockwise to secure it, and plug it in. The procedure is the same for both sides. To reinstall the trim, insert the bottom edge first, then rotate the piece back while pulling the sides outward to clear the headlight panel, and finally, slide the top portion back and up into its mount. Now you can reinstall the 3 screws. If you haven't already, close the hood because we're ready to test these new lights. Compared to the standard halogen bulbs, these LEDs seem much brighter and definitely whiter in color. That concludes this week's video. If you like my videos, consider supporting me on Patreon or donating on PayPal. I was hoping the student loan people would forget about me, but they haven't yet. As always, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below letting me know what you'd like to see next. And until next time, just keep throwing money at it.